Welcome back to the Grand Solar Minimum channel. Today is June 24th, 2017. Taking a look at our current solar conditions, our solar wind speed is sitting currently at 411.1 kilometers per second with a density of 6.1. Our sunspot regions 2664 and 2662 are the only two to report at this time. Again, these sunspots pose no threats for strong solar flares. Taking a look at our KP indices, we're sitting at 3 right now with a 24-hour max of 3. Not quite storm levels, but a slightly elevated. Taking a look at the SDO, we are checking out the coronal hole that we've been monitoring all week. It is now Earth facing. The other side of it is turning away from Earth. We should feel little, if any, effects from this coronal hole. And speaking of which, according to SPACEWEATHER.com, a CIR, which is a co-rotating interaction region, brushed against Earth's magnetic field on Friday, June 23rd. But the encounter did not spark a geomagnetic storm. Minor magnetic disturbances are possible today, June 24th, as Earth moves into a fast solar wind stream blowing behind the CIR. Taking a quick look at our weather, things have improved greatly over the last 24 hours. The watches have gone down. We still have those heat warnings over there in the west-southwest, and some flood warnings to look at in Mississippi and Alabama. Looking at our current radar, a lot calmer than what it was yesterday. Still Texas dealing with some moisture, and parts of Mississippi, Alabama, and Georgia still feeling the effects of the tropical storm Cindy. Mari?
Thanks, Jake. I came across a really great article on nationalgeographic.com. Beekeepers sweeten solar sites. Pairing pollinators with solar farms? How cool is that? The SolarWise garden in Ramsey, Minnesota doesn't look especially cutting edge as solar farms go, but in April it quietly achieved a milestone. It became the first U.S. solar facility to host commercial beekeeping. The apiary is part of an effort to rethink how land for clean energy can be used to supply more than just kilowatts. Instead of the gravel turf or grass that typically underlies the solar array, the one in Ramsey has low-growing, pollinator-friendly plants and 15 hives installed by Bolton Bees, a local honey producer about 35 miles away in St. Paul. 2 other solar apiaries followed in the state, with more on the way. The rise of solar energy in the United States coincides with a growing awareness that pollinators, which help 3/4 of the world's food crops, are in trouble. American produce, ranging from almonds to blueberries, depends heavily on this winged workforce. But in the U.S., beekeepers lost more than 40% of their colonies in 2006 due to a variety of factors. Back to you, Jake.
All right, thanks, Mari. That's going to do it for us today. Please remember to like and share, and we'll talk soon.